Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caren Hernandez, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together an eyeshadow look. This is going to be a very easy, soft glam look. So if you'd like to see how I get this eyeshadow look, keep on watching. So I've already done one eye. It literally took me maybe 2 minutes. This is probably one of the easiest eyeshadows you can learn to do. You're not going to need a lot of stuff, but you do need to put down a base. I like to use concealer or foundation. But if you like to use eyeshadow primer, you can use that as well. Like that much is enough for me. And then I'm just going to blend it out. Then you just get some loose setting powder. I'm using the Coty Airspun. And again, I just set it. And I am doing this before I do the rest of my face makeup. Just because if you have fallout, it's a little bit easier to clean it up if you do it before the rest of your makeup. So I'm going to be using two different palettes. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance at Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Baked Browns. Bunch of browns. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I will be mentioning the eyeshadows, but I will not be showing them each time. But I will be letting you know the names and what kind of shades they are so you can know which ones, and I will also put them down in the description box just in case you can't catch up. So, for this eyeshadow tutorial, you're going to be needing 3 brushes. I only used 3 brushes, and I used a blending brush. I used a flat brush. And I used a small precision brush. Don't worry if under your eye gets messy. Remember, you can clean. We're gonna clean it up after. So take Deserted and Outdoorsy from the Dose of Colors palette on a blending brush, and put that in your crease. This is gonna be what peeks through right here, and it's also going to help you when you go to blend your 2 colors. Now I'm gonna add a darker brown. And it's going to be this one right here. This is Cherry Wood. Just to deepen this up a little bit. It's ready. It doesn't have to be super neat because remember you are going to put shadow over this. Now we're going to start on the outer part of the eye, which is the darker color here. I'm going to use this small Luxie 243 Precision Blending Brush. And I'm just going to take the color, the same one that I just put, the darkest one, the Cherry Wood. I'm going to use that color. Start with that. You can also use Red Ochre from the Anastasia Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to start shaping out this outer edge. I just kind of make this little shape out here. I'm going to add Cyprus Umber from the Anastasia palette. Deepen up the outer corner. And that was it. I just used those, I think it was 2 colors. Then I'm going to take my blending brush and kind of lightly blend this little edge right here. I'm going to wet my brush. This is just a flat brush. I'm going to wet it. I used a setting spray, but if you don't have a setting spray, you can use just water. I'm going to take the color Vermeer from the Anastasia Renaissance palette. If you wet your brush, this is going to make your color pop even more. And I'm going to apply that now. So I just start on this little inner corner, and I start bringing it out. I'm going to stop about right here, so this is about almost a little over half of your eye. So look at both eyes and make sure they kind of look the same. So to blend these 2 colors in, I'm going to take this brush, and I'm going to clean it off on my hand, like this. And it lays a little bit on there because I didn't like clean the brush. And I'm just going to go over this line right here, the harsh line that was there that divided both. I just go over that, and as you saw, that just very easily blended that in together. And that is how you diffuse that line right there. So now take your blending brush and go over this outer part. Just make sure everything is blended. And now you're going to clean up your eye. So take a makeup remover wipe and just put like your finger on it. And first I'm just taking off the excess, and then I'm going to clean it up sharply so it looks really clean. And that's how I did it on this side as well. So now I'm going to take the color Tempera, and I'm going to take that right here under my brow. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and I will come back. So you're going to need a little smudger brush. I like to use this one. This is from Moda. This is the Smudger 402. I'm going to take the color Red Ochre from the Anastasia Renaissance palette. Take that right under my eye. I just connect it to the top. Red Ochre is actually perfect for this eye look, and that's all I'm going to put down there. I am also going to put on eyeliner. This is the Makeup Forever eyeliner in M10. And I just go in. So I put on my lashes and I did my lipstick, and I am done with this whole look. Let me scoot y'all back a little bit. That is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Share this video with your family and friends, and comment down below if you have any specific video that you want me to do and any part of the makeup application that you want me to focus on. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.